Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning daily activities in Arabic language. In this lesson, we cover different types of words. First one, a'amalu. A'amalu. Amalu means I work. I work. A'amalu, I work. Second one, adrusu. Adrusu. Adrusu means I study. I study. Adurusu. Adurusu means I study. Next one. Aktubu. Aktubu. Aktubu means I write. I write. Aktubu. Aktubu means I write. I write. Next one. Akura'u. Akura'u. Akura'u means I read. I read. Akura'u. I read. Next one. Attasilu. Attasilu. Attasilu means I call. I call. Attasilu means I call. Next, aghsilu. Aghsilu. Aghsilu means I wash. I wash. Aghsilu. I wash. Next one. Ata'allamu. Ata'allamu. Ata'allamu means I learn. I learn. Ata'allamu. I learn. Next one. Ashrabu. Ashrabu. Ashrabu means I drink. I drink. Ashrabu. Ashrabu means I drink. Next one. Atubahu. Atubahu. Atubahu means I cook. I cook. Atubahu. I cook. Next word. Al-abu. Al-abu. Al-abu means I play. I play. Al-abu means I play. Next word. Artar. Artar. Artar means I rest. I rest. Artar. I rest. Next one. Arsumu. Arsumu. Arsumu means I draw. I draw. Arsumu. I draw. Next one. Anamu. Anamu. Anamu means I sleep. I sleep. Anamu. I sleep. Next one. Amshi. Amshi. Amshi means I walk. I walk. Amshi. I walk. Next one, أروح. أروح. أروح means I go. I go. أروح. I go. Next one, أقول. أقول. أقول means I say. I say. أقول means I say. Next one, أصلي. أصلي. أصلي means I pray. I pray. أصلي. I pray. Next one, أغادر. أغادر. أغادر means I leave. I leave. أغادر. أغادر I leave.